This is the Bluebell Festival. So today, from the Bluebell Festival, we brought the people at Best Belfast down to do some sea swimming. Before we did the sea swimming, we did some body tapping, which is a really great way to shift energy in your body and to improve your circulation. So just by doing a couple of minutes a day of slapping different parts of your body can shift energy and can stimulate blood flow to all the extremities. It's just really going to make you feel awesome, give you more energy if you're feeling a bit sluggish, and just give you the energy that you deserve. And then after that, we went into the water and we just took all that energy from the extremities so that the water could deflame all the inflammation that was in our joints. So a great way to get energy flowing and then to get energy rebalanced. Just a great free way to feel good about yourself.
I'm a psychotherapist from the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, United States. Our practice is called Reset Outdoors, and our specialty is working with people to connect them with the landscape in a way that allows them to feel like they belong somewhere, and that they're connected to something, and that they have insight into the tools they can use to heal. Coming here and being a part of the Bluebell Festival, activities like this, jumping in the sea just a little bit after sunrise with a bunch of people that you live with and know from the community is as powerful and wonderful medicine as I can think of. It's amazing.